Hey guys, what's going on? So here's another video we did today. It's just like a little vlog of mine showing our day to day. We did some stamped, big driveway, except for those three pads because the cars were parked there and the homeowners weren't home. Exposed aggregate, sidewalk. But I wanted to basically touch base on two things if you guys or anybody that's watching this surface cleaner, yeah, it's a cheap Amazon surface cleaner, but it was only 56 bucks. Chances are in your hometown you have like an Amazon return auction site. In our hometown it's called MacBid. I got this thing for literally 56 bucks. They're not that expensive to begin with, but still, it works fantastic. You can change the hardware out. You can see here everything's looking good. And also, I wanted to add something else. Somebody said the other day you don't have to post treat. Post treating is so important. One, because I mean it makes a better job. It really does. And also, whenever you're spraying the cleaner down, the SH, you'll be able to see anywhere there's algae. It'll start to kind of chip away at it and try to kill it, and you'll see it turn white. So when you come back through and hit it again, you'll be able to then get rid of it so you don't look like a putsy leaving stuff behind. And you can see the before and after difference. It looks great. There's a before of the concrete. Here's after. And don't forget to check out the Facebook group, Bleach Bandits, just for pressure washing business owners.